Hi friends, welcome back to another video. I am so glad you're here. If you're new, I'm glad you're here. My name is Jeannie. This is a beauty channel. I do all things beauty. I know that we have a whole different atmosphere going on right now. If you're new to the channel, we recently had an accidental small fire in my kitchen. My toddler turned our stove on and there was some things on top of the stove that caught fire. This was a few weeks back. I was downstairs switching a load of laundry, and anyhow, we're getting our kitchen, it is completely gutted, and the insurance company has us put up in a hotel room. That's also why I'm trying to keep my voice down. It's been a crazy day with my two toddlers in the hotel room, but anyhow, right now, this is what we're working with, but it's not gonna stop me. We're here, we're filming. Actually, so I am late on picking the winners to the two giveaways that I have going on right now. When this video goes live, just for fun, you will have the rest of the day to enter into the two giveaways that I have going on right now. I'll link them both in the description box below. Make sure you're subscribed, click on the link to the giveaway videos, check out what's up for grabs, and leave a comment on those giveaway videos, and you will have an entry. And then let's see, what is today? Today is Tuesday. Thursday morning I will pick the winner. Well, I'll use the comment picker to choose the winners for both giveaways, and we will get the goodies mailed out to the winners. So check my YouTube, why is it I'm drawing a blank, my YouTube community tab, there we go. Check that on Thursday for the winners to both of the giveaways that I have going on right now, and I will get that mailed out. Now for today's video, you guys, I am so excited. This is my BoxyCharm base box for the month of what, May? Yes, May. And this is the box that I pay for. I already filmed my PR box. If you missed it and you want to check it out, because it's a completely different variation than what I have here, I'll also link that in the description box below. But you guys, this variation I'm pumped. This is an amazing variation. I haven't seen it anywhere else. Like, I'm wondering, am I like the only one that got this? I'm a little thrown off by it, but I am super excited. So let's get right into it. If you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, it's a monthly subscription box. They've got 3-tier boxes. This here is the base box. It costs $28. You get 5 full-size beauty products. It could be skincare, makeup tools, hair care, anything in the beauty realm, you can get it. They are full-size products, and you get to customize one. And then every month we also have a theme card. The theme for May is Boxy Super Bloom. Really cute with the purple. By the way, I feel like in this, you know, how I'm filming here, I'm super close up to you guys, so don't mind my nails. I tried these nail stickers and they actually held up amazing for about a week and a half already, but they're starting to peel, so they're looking a little crazy. I need to fix them up. But anyhow, so on the flip side of the card, we're going to have all of the products that are in your specific variation, along with a little bit of information about each product and the retail value of each one as well, which I love because I love seeing the value that we're getting in our boxes. So although we're paying $28 for this box, the retail value is way higher. So, okay, so now, since this is my actual paid for box, I do get to customize one of the products in here. And this month I customized the, what is this? This is the Air Hug Concealer. I was going to say Hug Air. I knew I needed to look first. The Air Hug Concealer by Item Beauty. It retails for $18. It says, when you need a course correct, this medium to full coverage concealer is the way to go. The lightweight formula features, Caraca papaya fruit extract. Forgive me, guys. I don't know all of these words. Maybe I need to go back to kindergarten. Whatever. I'm not going to read the whole thing. If you want to read the whole information about it, you can look it up online. It is the Air Hug Concealer from Item Beauty. Now, I actually tried to film this video earlier and my toddlers would not let that happen. I thought they were going to go down for a nap and that did not happen. But because of that, I already used it and I do have it on and I've got some opinions about it. First of all, the whole reason that I chose this product is because I figured that I would get the other choice product in my PR box. And so it wasn't necessarily that this was what I wanted out of the two choice items. But so when I first put it on, my first thoughts were, wow, that's really, really, really brightening to the under eye area. It also might be because I have a shade that's a bit light for me, but since I've been wearing it for a couple hours, I can tell you that it does settle into fine lines. So I'm gonna get all up in your business for a minute to show you what's going on here under my eyes. So as you can see, it has settled into the fine lines around my eyes, and I also put concealer around my nose right here where I get a little bit of redness around the rim of my nostril. But you can see that it has worn off already, and I would say that it was about 7:30 p.m. when I applied this, and it's only maybe like 11 right now, so it hasn't even been that long. So to be honest with you, I do think that when it first goes on, it actually looks nice. It's got like some decent coverage there, but it doesn't last as long as I would like if I were to wear this on a work day, you know, on a double shift day. It's not probably going to be my jam. I do think that it's okay, but I also think that because I have a lot of amazing concealers in my collection, this is not going to be my favorite concealer. But the packaging is super cute. It's like thicker, which I really like, and then it's got a really pretty ombre orange to gold. So there you can see how it looks on the skin. But yeah, so there's that. And next I did get from Cab Cosmetics. This is the Lemon and Lime Lip Oil Duo. It retails for $39. So I actually really, really like this. I have it on my lips right now. We got a Cab lip oil maybe about a year ago already. It's been a minute, but in BoxyCharm, but it was like a different flavor or whatever. I remember mine was like a melon flavor, and I actually really, really liked it. I used a lot of it, and then I think I lost it. I haven't seen it in a long time, but that is one that I would have used until the very end. It's just a clear lip oil, but it feels really nice, and it also lasts really nicely. And so this is the Lemon and Lime Duo, super cute for the summertime. They smell like lemon and lime candy. They do have quite a fragrance. They almost smell very similar. But what I think is really cool is that we're like getting a 2-for-1 type of thing. So this was counted as one item, and there's two full-size products. And I actually, like I said, I really, really, I like these lip oils. So I am happy to have another two in my collection. I also really like the applicator on that. It's got a larger doe foot applicator, and it's got a little dip on it. So it really pulls a lot of product up with it, which I really like. So I was really happy with that. I actually saw these on the sale and I thought about purchasing them because I do have quite the order coming in from the BoxyCharm Mega Drop Shop, which is going on right now. Also, let me just mention that I did read that they are going to be doing a couple days on their sale where friends and families, so non-subscribers, can shop. And when that happens, I will leave a link for anybody that is not subscribed to BoxyCharm and you want to check out their quarterly massive sale. I will have that information for you just as soon as I get it. So there's that product. Now, you guys, I was a little thrown back to see this in my box. This is the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Acid Serum. What's crazy though is we just did choice for BoxyCharm where we choose our products for the next month. And this was a choice for the premium box. And I got it in my May base box. So I could see where some people that would rub you the wrong way, like, what the hell, I just chose that or didn't choose it for my premium box for next month, and now I have it in my base box. But I'm gonna say that I'm happy to have it. So I'm like, heck yeah. I love Glow Recipe. I love the watermelon dewdrops. I have them on my area at home. They're like right on top where all of the things that I use a lot are, you know, up within reach. So they're like right on top there. But anyhow, this retails for $42. I will say that for my choice for premium box for next month, it was going up against a Ren skincare product, and then also a Korres Poreless Santorini Grape Cream. And I did choose the Korres for my box because I absolutely love their skincare. I talked about, and multiple times here on my channel, I have talked about their pore refining pomegranate cream that I use pretty much every time I do my makeup. It is one of my go-to pre-makeup moisturizers. I absolutely adore it, so I'm really excited to try the Santorini Grape kind, and I chose it for my box. And I also picked up another one in the shop, and I'll tell you why. And I picked up one of these on the shop too, so I'm gonna have two of both of them. But I'm a skincare junkie, so I like to be well stocked up on my skincare, and there's no better time to do it than in your BoxyCharm or Ipsy subscriptions, because you're able to do it at a huge discount. So I mean, that is how I look at it. And like, I'm going to be buying skincare and makeup anyways. I might as well be getting it at this massive discount. But anyhow, I fell in love after I bought that Korres pomegranate pore refining cream, and then I just hit pan on it, so there is a very, very little left, and I have been scouring the BoxyCharm sales ever since I got it that one time, and I have never seen it again. So that is why I figured if I liked the pomegranate, I'm probably gonna like the grape. I love what it does for my skin underneath makeup, and so I wanted to go ahead and get myself two of them so that I wasn't in the same position where like I'm loving it and I can't find another one on the sales. I mean, if I had to pay full price for that product, I probably would, but with all of the skincare that I have in my collection right now, I'm just not going to do that. So I'm hoping that the grape one will be just as good as the pomegranate one. But anyhow, yeah, so we got a Glow Recipe. Let's check out the packaging on this. I know that the packaging on the watermelon dewdrops is freaking adorable. It's like a light pink glass bottle, and the same with this. It does have a pump top. I'm curious about the smell. Let's just check it out. Let's put a little bit on the hand. Okay. So with the watermelon one, it definitely smells like watermelon. I'm not getting much of a scent on this one. We did just have COVID in my house, so that could be why. But I will tell you, a little is going to go a long way with this, because I put like one little pump and it's covering my whole hand here, but it feels very slippery, very soft. Yeah, I'm gonna like that. I'm glad that I will have another one coming from the sale. Oh my goodness, it makes my skin feel like silk, you guys. Look at that. Let me show you the difference between my hands. So there's the one without the cream. There's the one with the cream. It just looks so much smoother, doesn't it? And it feels amazing. Yeah, so I'm glad that I've got this, and I'll have another one coming too. Okay, so moving right along, next, coming in at $18, I have the Yensa Skin on Skin Beauty Sponge. I love Yensa Beauty, and I love getting sponges, so I am super thrilled with this. This is something that I'm always going to use. I'm always going to want to try different ones. I just love beauty blenders. That is my preferred way of applying complexion products, and even sometimes pressing in certain primers. So I am really excited to try a Yensa Beauty one. It does come in a little plastic. God, that bad boy doesn't want to open. Hold on here. not get this open. What is wrong with me? What do I have nearby? Why can I not get this open? Oh, okay. Hold on. Ooh, girl. Okay, so this sponge feels really nice. Of course, I do use it dampened, but it's got that kind of edged out thing, which is nice to really get under the eyes, especially if you've got like deep set eyes, because it really reaches in there. But yeah, so we've got a Yensa sponge. I'm really excited to use it. And then last but not least, from Complex Culture Beauty, which is the Ipsy brand, we have the Baked Highlighter and Bronzer Quad. This is a new launch and it retails for $42. You guys, I used this earlier. I can still see the highlight. The contour was actually beautiful. So I used the lighter contour shade on like my cheekbones. And I mixed the two of those for my forehead, and then I used the lighter highlight for my highlight, and it was actually really, really, really nice. The packaging also feels nice and luxe. It's got like a matte finish on the outside, and you got the golden accent inside, a very nice smear, and the colors were beautiful. I will swatch them for you. So there is one, there is two highlights, there is the first bronzer, and there is the second bronzer. So that is what they look like on the fingers. They are very pigmented and they looked so nice on the face. And there they are swatched. You know what, guys? I know that there are people out there that get upset about seeing the Complex Culture brand in our subscriptions, because they're like, hey, that's Ipsy's brand, you know, they shouldn't be putting their own brand in the boxes. And I know I've said this before, but I'll keep saying it until there's something that I'm upset with. Like, all of the things that I've tried from the brand, I have thoroughly enjoyed, and that goes the same for this. Like, those are beautiful colors. The tones that they gave me, because you could have got it in 3 different shade ranges. I do believe that they sent me the lightest one, and it just looked so natural and so beautiful on my skin. The highlight tones are actually absolutely stunning, and I love the brushes that I've tried from the brand. I love the little blush palette that I have from the brand. So I have yet to try anything. The eyeshadow palettes that I have were also performed really, really well. They're not palettes that are like my absolute favorite palettes, but they performed really well. So I've got nothing against getting some Complex Culture in my box. I have loved everything that I have tried so far. So I am all about trying some more. Send them my way. I'm good with it. So that is my paid for BoxyCharm base box for the month of May. Again, if you want to see a totally another variation along with a premium variation. So this month I actually got my BoxyCharm base box PR and my paid for premium box on the same morning. They were together on my porch. So I actually unboxed both of those boxes together on video, and we created like a whole look of BoxyCharm. If you missed that video and you want to see some other variations that are out there, definitely check the description box below. That video will be down there, and that's going to be it for this video. I hope you have a fabulous night, and I will see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye.